The 369 method has taken the world by storm, and people have been seeing massive changes in their lives after using this technique. If you haven't heard of the 369 method before, it entails writing a letter to the cosmos 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times at night for 33 or 45 days. It may sound complicated, but the practice is actually quite simple once you get the hang of it. And in just over a month, you will be thanking me for introducing you to this amazing manifestation technique that helped you manifest your dream reality. If you aren't familiar with the law of attraction or the concept of manifestation, I strongly suggest you take some time after watching this video to learn about how these work, because they can change your life forever. The 369 method, like all other techniques, works with the law of attraction and the universe to bring about positive change. All you have to do is write down what you want from the universe 3, 6, and 9 times every day, and the universe will listen. This powerful manifestation technique can be used to improve any area of your life, and it is incredibly effective when combined with the power of positive thinking. So if you're ready to start using the 369 method to manifest your dream life, keep watching this video. I'll show you how. First, I'll explain the 369 method, and then I'll share an example so you know exactly what to do each day to manifest quickly. You only need a pen and paper to perform this manifestation technique. However, I recommend that you use a journal instead of loose sheets of paper. That way you can keep track of your progress and see how far you've come since you began practicing the 369 method. You should also decorate your journal however you like. Make it yours and infuse it with good vibes. I always tell my students that the more senses you engage while manifesting, the stronger your results will be. So go ahead and make your journal look beautiful. Now that you have your tools ready, let's talk about how to use them effectively. I recommend that you begin your practice at sunrise if possible, but if you are not a morning person, don't worry. Just do your best to stick to a routine as much as you can. Start by writing down your affirmations 3 times in the morning. These are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to create a positive mindset and attract positive energy into your life. I recommend that you keep your affirmations simple and focus on one specific goal at a time. For example, if you want to find a new job, one of your affirmations could be, "I am worthy of a fulfilling career," or "I am open to receiving a job offer that pays me well and makes me happy." After writing your affirmation 3 times in the morning, take a few moments to visualize yourself already having achieved your goal. See yourself getting that new job, feeling grateful, and enjoying the fruits of your success. This visualization exercise will help you feel more connected to your affirmations and make them more real to you. Once you've done that, go about your day knowing that the universe is working hard to bring your desires to fruition. In the afternoon, you will repeat this process, but this time you will write down your affirmations 6 times. This represents the 6 directions of the universe and the 6 chakras in our body. By writing down your affirmations 6 times in the afternoon, you are infusing them with even more power and intention. Take a moment to really feel the words as you write them down, connecting them to your breath and allowing them to flow through your body. Feel the energy of the universe coursing through you as you write, knowing that you are aligning yourself with its infinite power and potential. As the sun begins its descent and the day draws to a close, it's time to repeat the process one last time. This time, you will write down your affirmations 9 times. This is the most powerful part of the 369 method, as it aligns with the moon, cycles, and the feminine divine energy. In the stillness of the evening, take a few deep breaths and connect with your inner self. Feel the energy of the universe flowing through you as you write down your affirmations, knowing that you are aligning yourself with the divine feminine energy and the power of the cosmos. You've now completed the 369 method for the day, and you should feel a sense of calm and satisfaction, knowing that you've done your part to manifest your desires. Remember, consistency is key, and it's important to stick to your daily routine as much as possible. When performing the 369 method, it's important to remember that the universe works in mysterious ways. Just because you don't see results immediately doesn't mean that the technique isn't working. Trust that the universe is conspiring to bring your desires to fruition and be patient. Allow the universe to unfold its plan for you. There are many things you can manifest using the 369 method, such as love, abundance, health, success, and happiness. Whatever it is that you desire, the 369 method can help you bring it into your life. It's important to choose what you want to manifest carefully and to be specific. For example, if you want to manifest love, don't just write down, "I attract love." Instead, be more specific about the kind of love you want and how you want it to feel. Maybe you want to attract a loving and supportive partner who makes you laugh and challenges you to grow. Write down something like, "I am open to receiving a loving and supportive partner who makes me laugh and challenges me to grow." The more specific you are, the better the universe can assist you. It is also important to remember that the 369 method is a tool that can help you manifest your desires, but it's up to you to take action. Don't wait for your dreams to simply fall into your lap. Use the positive energy generated by the 369 method to take small steps towards your goals each day. Over time, these actions will add up and lead you to the life you desire. Here is an example of what your journal entries might look like when using the 369 method to manifest a new job. Day 1. Write down your affirmation 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times at night. I am worthy of a fulfilling career. I am worthy of a fulfilling career. I am worthy of a fulfilling career. I am open to receiving a job offer that pays me well and makes me happy. I am open to receiving a job offer that pays me well and makes me happy. I am open to receiving a job offer that pays me well and makes me happy. I am open to receiving a job offer that pays me well and makes me happy. I am open to receiving a job offer that pays me well and makes me happy. I am open to receiving a job offer that pays me well and makes me happy. I am open to receiving a job offer that pays me well and makes me happy. I am open to receiving a job offer that pays me well and makes me happy. I am open to receiving a job offer that pays me well and makes me happy. I am open to receiving a job offer that pays me well and makes me happy. I am open to receiving a job offer that pays me well and makes me happy. I am open to receiving a job offer that pays me well and makes me happy. In addition to writing out your affirmation, I encourage you to visualize yourself already having achieved your desired outcome. See yourself walking into your new job, meeting new colleagues, and being excited to start your first day. Feel the sense of accomplishment and pride that comes with having a fulfilling career. By visualizing yourself already having achieved your desired outcome, you are training your mind to believe that it is possible and that you deserve to achieve it. Once you've written down your affirmations for the day, it's important to review them regularly. Take a few minutes each day to read through your affirmations and soak them in. Feel the emotions associated with them and allow them to motivate you to take action. The more you repeat your affirmations, the more you will begin to believe in them, and the more likely you are to manifest your desires. It's also helpful to say your affirmations out loud. This helps to reinforce the message and make it more real to you. You can say your affirmations in the morning while getting ready for the day, in the afternoon during your lunch break, or at night before going to bed. The universe doesn't care when you say your affirmations, just that you say them with intention and feeling. Finally, it's important to be patient when using the 369 method. Manifestation takes time, and it is important to trust that the universe is working to bring your desires to fruition. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just keep practicing the 369 method consistently and stay positive. Now I want to hear from you. What are you going to manifest using the 369 method? Let us know in the comments below. We are excited to hear what you are manifesting. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this in the future.